Yeah, so hi. What we are trying to do today is we are just uh, trying to create a infrastructure, basically a EC2 instance, and which will be through Circle CI. So you can use Jenkins or other, but as I am following that udacity nanodegree program, so I am just creating for my learning purpose. If you know any Jenkins or other one, you can use that. So yeah, so let's start. So that key pair, I have created my key pair already. So that is Ansible 3. This one I have created, and then that public GitHub and Circle CI. These two we need. So what I have done is, so this is my GitHub account, and in GitHub I have created a project, and repo is Circle CI. You can just directly create a repo from here, your repo, and then you can create your new repo. Any name you can give. Once you will give that name, like, okay, I will show you a new repo. Test, and then public, and then you can just create repo. That's all you need to do. Once that will be done, then you need to go to the Circle CI. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so when you will go to the dashboard, projects, it will show Ansible. This is my project, all other GitHub project. You can just click on setup project, and you can create a fastest, or other one is faster, which I have chosen, and then it will create a project there like this one, which has been created here. So this one will be created with config.yaml. Now uh, we will come to the config.yaml first. So you can just take this code, or just type this code. It will create a config.yaml file itself, hello world. There you can just update it. Remember, I got lot of error, but you need to define orbs, otherwise you will also get some error. This is the first thing which I have learned here, and then this has been created itself. Once you will run this, you don't need to do that. This create infrastructure you need to do. So what we are doing is, we are using a docker, and we are using a image, so that we need to define. Then this is a job. Basically in Circle CI we are having a job, this job, and we are defining first job. This is create infrastructure, and in this job we are giving that image AWS CLI through CLI. And once that image is done, then steps checkout. In run command you have to give the command. So this is a normal AWS cloud formation CLI command which we used to run. So same we can give. So like this, I have given the name. You can just give it any name. It's up to you. Then template file, whichever you are creating here, those you need to give, and then reason you need to define, and this one that you need to do. That is okay. Dummy you can ignore, and these two file you can ignore. That is by mistake I have added, but it is not required here. Only this template.yaml is required. So in template.yaml you need to define, and then you need to give this name. Remember, this is not required. Only this key name is required. Whichever key pair you have created here. So like this I have created here. There you need to define that. This one. Image ID. Image ID, in EC2 launch instance. Then Ubuntu, and this image ID you can give. Once that is done, then instance and then security group, you have to enable 22 port. This security group you need to define there. Once that is done, then you can come to the GitHub, like this is your project. So in this project, in project settings, so this is my project. In environment variables, I have to define access key ID, default region, secret access key. For those, what you can do, you can just go to the IAM. You can go to the users, then add users, any name, test, next, and then attach, and then next, and then you can create. But I have already created, so I don't need. Now in like this here, security credentials, access key. So here you can create access key. It will be enabled for you, and those you can save. And these access key you can give here. Access key ID, access default region, access secret key. These you need to define. Once that is defined, then you can commit your changes. So once that is done like this, then commit changes, and then you can go to the CI project. This one, this will create a, so this will create a cloud formation stack for you, and you can use this one. I will delete first. So that's all for this exercise, and yeah, so steps 1, that is done. Set up a new project, that is also done. Set up environment variable, that is also done. Then create cloud formation template. This EC2 instance security group is done, and then Amazon CI, their circle config also done. So everything is done, then stack is done. Yeah, thank you.